Alright, this is how you change the low and the high pressure sensor switches. 2 and the 1 pin. The location. There's oil filter. There it is right there. There's one. And the second one is gonna be bear with me, guys. This gets a little hard here. This one's gonna be hard to see, but once you got it, so you're gonna have to use your hands to get to it. Hold on, let's see if I can. This wire here, right there, right there. This one's actually easy to go. Once you find it, there we go, right in the back. So this one, oh yeah, that one's back there, but it's not as hard. This is the hard one. So I loosened all this stuff up here, all this stuff. Try not to break it, it's plastic. Now the trick here, this tool here, installing and removing. So you gotta break it. Obviously I didn't have a 3/8, but I had a 15/16 actually worked perfect. It's 24 millimeter. But I only had a half drive. So, when removing it, try not to bend the pin. See if I can get this. Sorry, I know it's moving. I'm in awkward positions. Get this set up with one hand and clean. Oh, there we go. I got a good position. Yeah, that wire. So that wire is going to be in the freaking way, and it sucks. You just got to move it out of the way to get the socket on. But let me show you a trick, because you will drop in between the supercharger and the engine block. So I'm doing this. 1 pin right there. Put this bad boy, just wedge it in just a little. Right there, look at that. See that? Because this is all the space you have. And I use that nice and gently. Go in. And I screw it in, get it started. Once you get it started, you can put the socket on. But getting the socket down there, it's a bitch. But that's all there is to it, guys. I got the new one in there already. Right down there. Come on, focus. Let's go. Sorry, I'm doing this on the phone. You got it down in there, and all I gotta do is get that socket in there and just tighten her down. And then put that wire on. Here's that wire that likes to get in the way, so I wedged it up here. It's gonna be hard, because it's gotta get out of the way, because if you don't have it out of the way, you'll break that with the socket. So that's the trick. A 3/8 extension to unscrew it and to install it. And that's it, guys.